Happy morning, everyone. Let's start. Sir, first question was asked from Mr. Deepak Goyal on NMDC. NMDC, the current price is at 178.2, and first support will be 162.70, and second support is 145.50. Please make a note of it. Anyway, we will be sending in the group also. And first target is 198.90, and second target is 217.70. This is 217.80. And second question, Mr. Padmanabhan regarding Bosch. Bosch, the current price is 15211, 15,211, and first target is 16,200. Second target is 17,300, and the first support will be placed at 14,838, and second support is 14,397. And third question, Mr. Sheikh Ashtam on Marine Electrical. Marine Electrical current price is 64.45, and first target is 71.75, and second target is 84.7, and first support is 61.85. It is very near support, and second support is 54.2. Sir, regarding these all companies, what you are asked in questions, I have not checked my financial. I have not checked its financial performance. Only I am giving the levels. And third question, Mr. Ayush Loda regarding FEL. FEL current price is 11.75. Nowadays, all feature group stocks are running up, because I think some news is maybe coming very soon. Even FCL, even FRL, every feature stock is going up. This stock made a recent high of 14 rupees and fall down to 11.75. And immediate support placed at 10 rupees, and next support is 8.05. And first crossing beyond 14.6, it will go to 18.1 and maybe 22 also. Next question, Mr. Arul Kannan regarding Bajaj Electricals. Bajaj Electricals current price is 994.50. And first support is 906.60, and second support is 801.55. First target will be 1104.25, and second target is 1224. And not target is financial performance. These are the levels which I am giving now. And next question, Mr. Naresh Jain on Agro Food Tech. Agrotech Foods current price is 958, And first support is placed at 812 and second support is 720. And first target is 1050. And second target is 1200 because it cannot be visible here. Second target is 1200. And next question, Mr. Kenneth D'Souza on Jubilant Pharma. Jubilant Pharma current price is 733.70. First target is 872 and second target is 998.70. First support is 686.65 and second support is 634. Next question from Sanket Janwar on Adani Port. Adani Port current price is 694.35 and first target will be First target will be 849 and second target is 898. And first support is 628 and second support is 561. Because some issues going on with Adani Group, the stock has fallen around 20% from 52-week high. So no need to worry. This is company is fundamentally strong. So no need to worry. For a few months back, same thing happened in the company called UPL. In last year, 2020, some income tax raid happens in the company, and the stock fall 20% from current price of 500 to it fall down to 420. Now see, it is now trading around 800 rupees. So time will heal every problem. So no need to worry about Adani Port, Adani Group. Any dips you can buy. This is my personal view, what I am saying. And next question from Bharti on LIC Housing Finance. LIC Housing Finance current price is 469.90 and first target is 503 and second target is 533 and first support is 455.7 and second support is 427. Even I was chasing this stock at 450 levels, but it didn't touch 450. It made a low of 458. If it comes around below 456, I will be taking the stock in my portfolio. Next question from Mr. Muthu Kumar on Voltas. Voltas current price is 1029.30 and first support placed at 953 and second support is 918. And target is first target is 1131 and second target is 1174. Even a few days back, we are given a call on Voltas also. A few days means last week only. Next question from Ms. Sonam on Panacea Biotech. Panacea Biotech current price is 370.50 and first target will be 433 and second target 498. First support is 343 and second support is 317. Next question from Dinesh Chorodia on Petronet LNG. Even I am holding Petronet LNG around 18,000 shares. My average is around 233 because of suddenly fall, waiting for a good target. Petronet LNG, the current price is 225.85 and first target is 234. First target is 234. 1 second. First target is 241 and second target is 260. Because all PUC stocks has been run up, even Gujarat Gas, MGL, IGL. This is the stock in PUC sector which has not performed since last 6 months to 1 year. So this is the hidden gem. You can take this as consideration. And in the years, 6 months time, I am expecting around 300 plus. Even I have 18,000 quantity in this stock. Next question, Mr. Surender Kotari on Ratan Power. Ratan Power is a penny stock. All power sector is running up from last 15-20 days. Ratan Power right now the price is 5.60 and first target will be 6.95. It is not visible here in this chart. And second target is 9.25. And first support is 4.10 and second support is 3 rupees. Because penny stocks, if we keep running, it will be running. If it is sleeping, means it will continue to sleep for 2-3 years. Next question from Mr. Hardik Mehta on Idea. Idea is right now, price is 10.35 and first target will be 11.45 and second target is 12.55. First support is 8.35 and second support is 7.6. Last 15 days back, it was trading at 8.3 to 9 rupees. It was a good buying range here. But anyway, some of them missed and even I too missed this stock. And 15th question, Mr. Vikram from Hyderabad on IDFC. IDFC current price is 53. It is not IDFC Bank, it is IDFC, parent company of IDFC Bank. IDFC current price is 53.75 and the first target is 60.70 and second target is 67.60. First support is 50.25 and second support is 44.80. And next question, from Mr. Gopalan on Petronet LNG. Petronet LNG, just now I gave the question repeats again. So the levels remain the same. Next question from Mr. Jasminder. Jasminder on Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises current price is same. The story what I told previously in Adani Port. Any dips, it is a buying opportunity. Even I have 1,000 quantity in Adani Enterprise and 1,250 in Adani Port also. This first support, Adani Enterprises, first support is first support is 1351 and second support is 1201. On last Monday, it fell down to 1,202, but it didn't touch 1,201. First target is 1572 and second target is 1662. Next question from Anuradha Chandramouli and Tata Steel BSL. Tata Steel BSL is this actually previous name was Bhushan Steel, the company which was taken over 2-3 years back by Tata Steel. After that, it has not seen the downfall after acquiring from a Tata group. This current price is 89.55, and first target will be 103.65 and second target is 122.05. First support is 76.70 and second support is 63. The stock will come around 80 and 76 also in days to come, because by seeing this chart, it is showing a downside. And if I want to buy, I will buy in the range of 76 to 63. And next question from Mr. Yusuf Sabir on TTML, Tata Tele Maharashtra. Tata Tele Maharashtra. The current price is 30.35 and first support is 23 and second support is 19.75. 23 and 19.75 and first target is 36.30 and second target is 40.40. All telecom stock yesterday made a good upswing. Even Bharti, even Idea and Reliance. Of course, Reliance of the last hour of the trade made a high. And next question from Mr. Ashokji Pugalia on Amara Raja batteries. Amara Raja batteries, I had 4,000 quantities last week and 2,000 quantities I booked at around 885 levels. And again, I bought it 2,000 quantities at 777. Now it has been fallen again. Yesterday fall was very big fall. Amara Raja batteries. Amara Raja battery current price is 748 and first target will be 812 and second target is 881. This is my personal feeling I'm sharing. Amara Raja, we can see in 6 months to 1 year time, I am expecting 1,000 rupees target, minimum 1,000 rupees. Right now, I'm holding 2,000 quantity in this stock. I'm not telling that because I'm holding the stock. I will be booking around 900, 910. So take your call on this one, Amara Raja batteries. But first support is 743 and second support is 715. I will be booking the target beyond the 812 and second 881. Because next all EV vehicles will be coming up. So battery companies will run up. Even Exide, even Amara Raja, even Tata Chemicals. Next question from Mr. Kulkarni from Nagpur on Power Grid. Power Grid current price is 233 and last 2 months back we are given a call on this Power Grid at 180, 190 levels and both our target been achieved. And current price is 233 and first target is 251, second target is 265 and first support is 213.55 and second support is 199.55. This stock yesterday only make 52 high. You can see not 52 high, recent good high made of 245. Yesterday was the result. Day before yesterday was result. And next question from Deepika Oswal from Bangalore on Geojit Financial Services. Geojit Financial Services right now the price is 674.95 and first target will be 85.35 and second target is 95.3. First support is 63.1 and second support is 50 rupees. Next question from Mr. Ankit Marlecha regarding Idea. Idea current price is 10.35. Idea, I think just now I gave a call on this one. Yeah, Idea was from Arthik Mehta. Again, been Ankit Marlecha. This is a repeated. And next, we'll go to the pass on to next question from Rajesh Gandhi on R Power. Reliance Power current price is 15.85 and first target will be 22.95 and second target is 30.35 and first support is 12.35 and second support is 9 rupees. All Anil Ambani stocks have been running up, even Reliance Capital, Reliance Infrastructure, Arcom, and I bought this stock, Reliance Power, by a recommendation from my friend last month at around 6 rupees, I think. Now it is 15. I will be not booking the profit because the amount makes not difference. So I will be keeping for a long term. Even I have a Reliance Arcom 20,000 shares bought at 60 paisa. Now the rate is around 4 rupees. So I bought at 60 to 65 paisa. That amounts to 13,000. That not makes a much impact on my capital. So I just left it for long term. Same in Reliance Home. Sorry, another stock is Reliance Home. That too I also bought. And next question from unknown person. Name was not displayed on Spark. Spark right now 232.35, 232 rupees. And first target is 247 and second target is 271. First support is 211.50 and second support is 197. And next question from Mr. Srinivasan on EID Parry. EID Parry current price is 424.35 and first target is 455. Second target is 502. It's not visible on the chart here. You can see 500 rupees here. So 502 is the first target and second target is, first target is 455, second target is 502 and first support is 371. Second support is 312.60. Here is the second support. Next question from Mr. Chetan Sangvi on Cupid. Cupid right now current price is 213.65 and first target is 240 and second target is 262.30 and First support is 204.25 and second support is 192. Next question from Mr. SKK on Deepak Nitrate. Even I have this stock. I have in my portfolio, Deepak Nitrate. Deepak Nitrate current price is 1754.80 and first target is 1919 and second target is 2074. It is 2074 is above 52-week high. I'm expecting this level to achieve in a month or two. First support is 1663 and second support is 1533. And next question from Mr. Mahendra Jain on Union Bank. Union Bank current price is 37.80 and first target is 40.20 and second target is 50.50 and first support is 33.60 and second support is 31.50. And next question from Mr. Sanjay Bansali on Crisil. Crisil current price is 2564.85. Yesterday it made a new 52-week high, you can see here. So better to book this stock and wait for a down to accumulate again. And next, if you are holding, you can book it partially now here and remaining partial you can wait for the target of 2692 and second target is 2881. And first buying will be at first support will be at 2250 and second support is 2062. Next question from Prakash on Provision 2. Provision 2, I cannot pronounce also. This also made 52 high yesterday, I think. No, not yesterday. Yesterday was high, but not 52 high. This stock is 41.65 and first target is 46.85 and second target is 59.95. First support is 36.90 and second support is 33.95. This is a real estate based company. Next is Next question is from Mr. Suresh from Mysore and Adani Power. Same story as Adani Group, everything. Adani Power. Adani Power current price is 114.90 and last week it made a 52-week high of 166. From 166 it fallen around 50 rupees it's been fallen. So this stock first target is 129.95, 129.15 and second target is 145.30. And first support is 106 and second support is 91. If it is around this range is a buying range, around 106 to 191, you can blindly invest in this stock. And the last question was asked from Mr. Mahavir. He just asked me what sector he will move. Just a minute, I will come back. Yes, sir. Every question was been answered, and the last one, the question was from Mahavir. Which sector will move? Last week we are given on HUL. I was very much confident on HUL, so HUL met our first target, and this next sector will be moving auto sector. You can consider buying any auto sector. Even I was bullish on Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, I couldn't even buy because of my yesterday's fall. But yesterday, even though market was falling, this stock went up around 120 rupees. Hello, सबको unmute करो.
Praveen ji.
Yeah, ji.
Ami Kataria here.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Morning, sir. एक question पूछ सकते? I have not put it yesterday.
Yeah, tell me.
I missed putting it. भैया आपका KRBL पे क्या है भैया?
समझा नहीं.
Dhani Bank.
Dhani, see, because of some issues, this stock has fallen from 350 levels.
Yes.
Even you can see that securities, it was traded from 450, it came to 350 levels. Now it is around 600 levels. So the time will heal this stock, and you can expect more higher levels in the weeks to come. No need to worry, company is fundamentally strong.
Thank you so much.
Next,
Praveen ji, my question on Petronet, Praveen ji.
Sir, Petronet, I given the highlight on the Petronet, sir. Anyway,
oh, I'm sorry. I missed it. I'm so sorry.
Petronet LNG, sir, first target is 250. Sorry, current price is 255.85, and first target is
225. It's 225 now.
Yeah, 225.5, and first target is 241, and second target is 260.
Okay. We see further downfall from here.
No,
we see further down.
No, first support is 218. Very near support is there. If it falls,
okay. So we can add at this level.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Even I too have 18,000 quantity in this stock.
Same here, same here. From very long time I am holding it, but from 2-3 years it is not giving that appreciation. Of course, dividend is good. That's okay.
All PUC.
Can we hold it for a longer period, sir?
Sir, it is a long-term jump, sir. You don't need to worry, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
प्रवीण भैया, ये गोल्ड का लेवल दे पाएंगे क्या?
गोल्ड का लेवल आपको कल बता दिया सर मैं.
अच्छा, नहीं भाई बताया ना, तो नीचे जाएगा तो कहाँ तक जा सकता है वो देख सकते हैं कोई ग्राफ में कुछ?
वो आपको लेवल्स में चेक करके बताऊंगा सर.
फाइन भैया, प्लीज.
ओके सर. Even I too have gold position in gold around 6 lots, mini lots. So no need to worry. Even I am also bullish on gold. And target will be around 49,000 in this July month.
Okay, भैया. Thanks, भैया.
Okay, thanks everyone. If any question is left out, you please ping on the group. Thank you,
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.